Okay, we're following it to the server room. Maybe, maybe not. This jar will explode on him. Let's check this out. You're on video. Smile.
What's up with this screw?
Pop it in reverse and hold the chuck.
Stupid.
What the hell are you doing? Press this button while holding this.
I don't have time for that. Alright. Maybe I should be wearing a glove for this?
Gloves are overrated. Oh, don't put glass on a workbench.
Oh, shut up.
You're not the one working there, are you?
I don't like how it chipped like that.
Because you're going too fast with too much pressure.
Just take my sweet time and be here all day.
Yeah. It ensures that you don't bust something.
How thick are these? Can this go any faster?
No, it's not a Dremel, it's a drill. Can you stop for a second? Can you stop? Is it in drill mode or Wow.
Noted. Noted. How did we not catch that from the get-go? And how did it make it so far? How thick that is. Well, that explains a lot, doesn't it?
You think? I was going through.
Is it?
Do you hear it? You're not making a bong, are you?
That's thick. I got it like halfway there.
You're not making a bong, are you?
Really? It's gonna go like right through and shatter if I don't catch it.
That's like what I'm waiting for.
So far, it's a solid hole. Make a wind chime with these.
That would really last really long with 35-mile-per-hour winds.
There it is. Made it through.
Nice. And watch you shatter this freaking thing.
Nice.
What the hell is... Oh, for a second there I thought it was So, did it make a hole?
Yeah.
I mean...
Perfect. There. Done and done.
And thank you for the glass shards everywhere. And he has left the server room.